Ayan, nagyayakapan na po sila.
Okay, so field number 3. Finals Alpha against Philippines Academy. For battle quarter, South United FC against Benares FC for field number 4.
Listen, what we do is now we have to play with everything to get something home, to bring something home. If you don't play at your best, we are going home with nothing, and we are not supposed to go with nothing else. We have to continue to play now and get something home. Okay?
Okay, so you turn field number 2. Okay, for you, turn field number 2, TCUDA against Vanguard FC. Again, for field number 2, U10, field number 2, field number 2, U10, U10. For U10, field number 2, Total FC against DFA.
Go, shot! One more!
Field number 2, U10, Total FC against DFA.
Dwayne wide! Behind you! Go, Dwayne, other side, Dwayne, other side! Mahal, other side! Boom! Nice one, try that!
Total FC versus DFA. Again, for U10 category, for field number 2. Total FC versus DFA.
Shot! Woo! Mahal, other side! Yan! Go! You can do it! Oh. Mahal, eyes on the ball! Mahal, take the space.
Lighten your legs.
You can do it.
Warm up your legs. Warm up your legs.
Gabe will pass to you. Yan. Okay. Eyes on the ball. Oh, other side, Mahal. Anak, sa kabila ka. Dwayne, sa other side. Other side, Mahal. Kabila. Good job, Ichiro. Ouch. Direct. Go, Mahal! Go, go, go! Up, up, up. Lalang shoot, lalang shoot. Go pa, Mahal. Timing. Go. Go, go, timing. Ichiro sa kabila. Oh. Mahal, don't stop. Don't stop pa. Don't stop like that. Wall, wall, Dwayne, wall. Dwayne.
Okay, for U6, Vanguard FC against Xavier 2020.
Don't let them shoot.
For U6, Vanguard FC against Xavier 2020.
Doon ka. Go, anak. Anak, go. Go.
The ball. Sam, are you watching the ball? I just said don't let them shoot. You still let them shoot.
Dwayne, don't stop. Go there.
Pass the ball. Go. Alex, go.
Dwayne, left wing. Halili, go. Left wing ka. Here.
Alex, go.
Anak, go agad. Go there. Ichiro. Ichiro, power. Dwayne. Yes. Usig. Good job, Ichiro. Dwayne, block. Wall, wall, Dwayne, wall. Wall. Ouch, ano ba yun? Ang ano?
Shoot, shoot, shoot. You look the ball. You look the ball, you are watching. Go forward. Out. 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 Alex, go. Let you go. Go.
Focus on the ball, focus. Teka, may isang...
Nice sa depensa yan.
Hindi, kailangan kasi ano...
Magaling sa magaling.
Wala, naglo-long shoot eh, hindi pwede mag-defense. Kailangan,
Yari sa Alison.
kailangan ano, dikit. Go, go, Dwayne, left!
Alex, go.
Anak, sa kabila ka! Dalawa kayo! Dwayne! Boom!
Finish, go.
Mahal ka, left! Dwayne, left!
Parang nakalista rito si Mike.
Space!
Let you go forward.
Mamaya yata? Or bukas? Or mamaya? Ay, bukas. Ay. Sayang si... Go, go! Mahal! Sa kabila ka! Oy, ang taas. Sayang.
Ganda ng ano nila ng game, ha?
Tsaka si Gab. Gusto ko talaga kasi ang play din ito, ang batang to. Pang mid talaga. Kahit maliit. Yan, doon ka anak. Get it. Get the ball. Sa front ka niya. Friend mo yan. Say mo friend. Good. Go, go, Gab. Go, Ichiro. Ichiro. Handball. Ichiro. Don't stop, Ichiro. Ichiro. Boom. Dribble first. Dribble. Good job. Mahal, other side. Dwayne. Walang left. Butas. Left winger ka, Mahal. You have to support.
Sam. Get out.
Okay, control. Header, control. Ay,
Mababa lang yun.
abawa. Ref, galit ka? Up, up, up. Okay, sorry. Sorry, ano yan, goalkeeper. Oh, header. Up, up, up. Megan, good job, Megan. Galing ni Allison, naka-crossbar pa, tapos nasa lupan niya. Dwayne, support!
Hindi pag may nag-shoot na kakampi.
Mahal, kabila! Other side! Dwayne sa goal post! Shoot! Boom! Ay, sayang. Dwayne, I told you, you have to go there so that you can follow it up. I told you. Oh, go. Go sa goal. Go there. You have to do the go. Go there. Go, Dwayne.
Hello. Wait lang, wait lang. Play, yellow.
Left winger. Ano, focus.
Nice, Simon.
Focus lang, focus.
Huwag katapon at go.
You have to go to the goal. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go. Left wing ka, left wing.